And let's go to our next slide. So key takeaway, ito lang po to close. Let me just say this clearly, conversion to Islam, as I've said, is a sacred religious act. Okay? Kinabayan tayo ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yun po ay between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yung mga brothers mo na yumakap sa'yo, na masaya, na naging Muslim ka. Ano po, no? It doesn't matter. Okay? Ito ay sa pagitan nyo ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Walang sino man ang dapat na manghusga dyan. But it is also not a legal shortcut. Okay? Hindi po siya legal shortcut na makapangasawa ng tatlo, apat. Diba? So, 4 points to remember. Civil marriage dissolves only through the RTC. There's no other way. Magpapa-scam lang kayo. Marami pong nag-o-offer ngayon, bibigyan ka ng certificate of divorce. Tama ba yan? Correct ba yan? Without hearing, na yun, red flag na po yun. Dami pong scammer. May post ako recently about a scammer lawyer. Hindi siya lawyer, scammer siya who's pretending to be a lawyer. So mag-ingat na lang. Pangalawang punto, before ako umalis. Contracting a Muslim marriage while a civil marriage subsists is bigamy.